Rồi chưa hết cho hai đứa con kìa. Biết không nhỉ? Sai cô về là. Come on. Okay, that's good enough. All right. Now that you got that out of the system, I want you to be quiet for the rest of the service.
Big memory.
Did you tell them to say that?
That means we have, you know, we have such a couple everybody told us quiet.
No, wait till you get to the runway to the big one. It's right there. Huh? It's right there. And then I don't know if we're going to turn and go or we're going to stay. Usually here we turn and go. So was it just Rob taking your phone?